Hello, this is Hatsiri Martinez, and this is the week 6. The assignment is the ASP.NET Core Racer web pages. So, in this week we follow the Microsoft tutorial with get started with Racer pages, and this is the final look of this tutorial. So this is the welcome, like the home view. Now here is our index view. Okay, so as you can see here, we have this table with information about these movies. So we have the title, the release date, the genre, the price, rating, and also we have here these options to manage the information, like edit this information, view the details, or delete a movie. So for example, if I want to edit here this movie, and maybe if I put here NA and save it, so you can see here that this information changed. And details, okay, you can be able to view the details, and delete, we can delete this movie, so here's no more. And also we can filter the this index. Okay, so if I want to see only the movies that are comedies, so I can click here filter, and we have only the comedy movies, or by title also, maybe video or ghost, I think it's a ghost. And you can see that these movies have this word in the title. Okay, so now also we can create a new, like we can add a movie, so we can add a movie, so we're going to add it. It's maybe here, I think 26, science fiction, and it's good. So create, and you can see this new movie added in the table. So this is what we did in this tutorial, and here is our Solution Explorer. We add this folder with this class, and also this folder movies with these files, so we can have we can be able to create this database and this Racer page movie. So thank you for watching, and see you next week.